Why was Starliner's orbital flight test important? Have you ever wondered how spacecraft are tested before they carry astronauts into space? The Starliner's Orbital Flight Test, also known as OFT, is a perfect example of this process. This test was crucial for Boeing's CST-100 Starliner spacecraft, as it aimed to evaluate its ability to perform all key phases of a space mission without any astronauts on board. During this test, the spacecraft underwent a series of operations, including launch, orbit operations, docking with the International Space Station, and a safe return to Earth. This was not just a routine check. It was essential for demonstrating the spacecraft's systems and capabilities to NASA. NASA needed to ensure that Starliner could safely transport astronauts to and from the International Space Station on a regular basis. The test assessed many spacecraft systems. These included avionics, which are the electronic systems used for control and navigation, docking mechanisms, communications, telemetry, environmental controls, solar power arrays, propulsion, and guidance navigation controls. Each of these systems was carefully monitored during ascent, orbit, and reentry. Additionally, the test measured the acoustic and vibration environment inside and outside the spacecraft. It also monitored the launch escape system triggers that are designed to protect the crew in emergencies. Essentially, the OFT was designed to verify the mission operations of Starliner from start to finish, except for those requiring a human crew on board. From the perspective of astronaut training and mission planning, the OFT provided essential data and experience. By testing the spacecraft systems in real mission conditions, engineers and mission planners gained a better understanding of how the spacecraft behaves. This information is vital for developing procedures that astronauts will follow during actual missions. For instance, astronauts need to know how to operate spacecraft controls, manage life support systems, perform docking and undocking, and respond to any anomalies during flight. The OFT also transported cargo and supplies to the International Space Station, simulating the logistical aspects of crewed missions. The first OFT took place in December 2019. However, it faced a software timing error that prevented docking with the International Space Station. This limitation meant the mission lasted only 2 days before a safe landing. This experience highlighted the importance of rigorous testing and led to a second OFT in 2022, which aimed to fully meet the test objectives. Subsequent crewed flight tests have built on the results of the OFT. These tests focus on how astronauts interact with the spacecraft, manual control capabilities, and emergency procedures. In essence, the Starliner's Orbital Flight Test was a vital step in validating the spacecraft's readiness for human spaceflight. It helped ensure that astronauts will have a reliable and safe vehicle for transport to the International Space Station. This test also informed the training and operational procedures that astronauts will use during their missions.